Do you want to make your office presentations more engaging and effective? Ensuring your presentations are captivating is crucial in today's fast-paced corporate world. It's not just about sharing information, but also about how you share it. A well-crafted, engaging presentation can enhance communication, foster understanding, and elevate your professional image. It can set you apart in a sea of monotonous meetings. Now you may wonder, how can you make your presentations more engaging? Let's explore. The first step is to understand your audience. This is the foundation of crafting an effective presentation. What are their interests? What are their needs? You can gather this information through surveys or even through casual conversations. This will not only make your presentation relevant, but also engaging. Next, let's talk about organization. It's essential to structure your content in a logical order. This can be as simple as following a problem-solution-benefit model. Additionally, remember that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Use visuals effectively to convey your message. Infographics, charts, or even a simple photograph can make a world of difference. Lastly, don't forget to practice your delivery. This will help you to iron out any kinks and ensure your presentation flows smoothly. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Remember, a well-prepared presentation is half the battle won. So, to summarize, making engaging presentations involves 3 main steps. First, get to know your audience, understand their needs and interests. This will help you tailor your content to catch their attention. Second, organize your content and visuals in a logical and coherent manner. This will make your presentation easy to follow and visually appealing. Lastly, practice your delivery. Confidence and clarity in presentation can only come with practice. With these steps, you are well on your way to delivering engaging and effective office presentations. Good luck!